What would you like to learn today?
Science behind the mechanism.
How it works.
James is a fantastic presenter. Obviously, he's extremely passionate and knowledgeable about the material, and he enjoys the interaction with the class. So when you have a teacher like that, it makes the information sticky, easily to retain.
So then Texas University did an experiment using broadband near-infrared spectroscopy that can measure oxyhemoglobin and deoxyhemoglobin and cytochrome C oxidase activity in the brain. The volunteers have this thing strapped to their head.
James has got a great sense of humor, he's got a great ability to deliver, and I believe that he has clearly and succinctly described the process so far, and I look forward to his afternoon session.
It starts with Albert Einstein and seems to end up with me. For those of you who do academic presentations, you always want to set one up like this, just a row of your heroes.
We had everyone from physical therapists to massage therapists to dentists to MDs such as myself, and we all could understand and follow his direction, his analogies and his ability to explain some pretty difficult topics. Even when he gets into physics, he makes it fun.
We need to lock the doors to keep you all in here.
I have been to several of James' presentations. There's always something new to learn, and I have my office staff with me today. So there's 5 of us here from the office, and I wanted them to hear this material from James instead of just me. The British accent makes it more interesting.
You can interrupt at any time. In fact, you have to interrupt because there's no point today am I going to say any questions. I'm going to go from now through to the end of the day unless you stop me, okay?
If you want a comprehensive understanding of what clinical situations you can apply it in and have a good likelihood of benefit and have an understanding of how it works, then this is the course you need to take.
You should come to one of these presentations to get a new perspective on a treatment that has been around for a while but is just now reaching the mainstream of medicine.
The one thing you can say about this that is hard to say about any other medical procedure you do is this. It's not just another form of pain relief, it actually helps you heal. That's the difference. Drugs don't do that.